Guys, I just wanted to review this double top scenario that I was going over uh, basically for the past, I don't know, uh, past couple of weeks. I said that getting a candle body close inside of this box, I pulled this box from the exhausting wick of the highest high of this range and then pulled it to the right. And then what I wanted to see was candle body close inside of it. If we get a candle body close inside of it, one of my rules is that that could be signaling that we are going to reject to the downside. Candle body close above it signals that we could see continuation to the upside. Then we got this candle, and this is on the daily chart. Then we got this daily candle here closed back inside this box. And I said, be careful, watch Tuesday. Make sure that this could be, if this is a red day, I would expect for price to come down. Now, we did not get a red day. However, we did not get a close above the box, which is what I was wanting to see. I was wanting to see a new close higher than this wick right here. We didn't get it. Could have expected this little move on this wick right here. I guarantee you it's probably pretty close to 50% of that wick. If I had to guess, let's go ahead and throw a fib on it just to see. And bang. Yep, 50%. Yep, right to the 50% level of this previous daily wick. That would have been an amazing entry. Um, and then you just target the low down here on these double tops. You just target the next low, and this is on the daily, so I would have targeted that next low right there. Not this one, not this one, not this one, this one, because we're on the daily chart. So that would have been an amazing trade to play out. Regardless of news, the fundamental or the technicals were there. My rules were met. Personally, I didn't take the trade. Um, I really wish I would have, because all my rules were met on this trade to take. But sometimes you don't have the opportunity to get that done. So it is what it is. I missed this one, but that's just another example of how these double tops can play out. And then, yeah, hopefully this helps you to where you can take advantage of this in the future. But that's going to be it for this video. Just keep it short and sweet. Just wanted to get something out for you guys. I will be getting to the charts later and trying to give you a better, more, broader picture, zoomed out view on what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing from this market. Right now, I really do like that, this really is being bought up. That is a good sign to see. That shows buying pressure, and that this could have been a fake out. Now everybody's saying that this is, so the news drives price, but that can drive price, but that does not mean that you can't see the stuff happening in price action prior to the news coming out. So the news can drive the price down, and then next thing you know, you start getting cascading liquidations that brings the price down much further than expect. Except we would have expected it, or at least we would have thought that there was a good probability that we were going to reject and come down, since we did not get a close above that box. But hopefully that's helpful to you. This same goes for double bottoms. So if I drew a box on here, let me just go ahead and do this real quick before I get out of here. If I drew a box on this wick here and came down, you can see that we came straight down to the midpoint of that box, but we rejected off of it, which is good to see. We don't want to see a candle body close within this box. Actually, if we saw a candle body close within this box and then a rejection out of it, that would also be bullish, because it would just be the opposite of this. But seeing that strong bounce off of this level of support is really nice to see. However, it doesn't mean we are out of the woods just yet. We've got to be patient. But the news is now, so first there was a possible fake article talking about the ETFs being rejected, and then that helped drive the price down. And then just a couple hours later, now we're getting news that the SEC is meeting with all of the major exchanges to finish up the process of the ETF approval. So, but we're still waiting on that news to come in. And when that news comes in, perhaps we see a big push to the upside. But we'll just have to wait and see. But for now, that's going to be it for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ride the waves.